Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, I'll be showing you how to make an easy, delicious, yet easy recipe of a heart-shaped cake, that too made from a round cake. You can see it's looking like a perfect heart. So without a further ado, let's get right into the video. First up, I'll be taking 3 eggs and I'll be separating the egg whites from it. So carefully separate your egg whites. The reason for this is so your cake comes out more fluffier and soft. Do give it a try and you'll definitely notice a difference. Well, oops. Now I'm going to beat these and gradually add my 3/4 cup sugar. I'm going to beat it for a minute. Now I'm going to add in the egg yolks. Just beat them and add them in. And 1/4 cup oil. And if using butter, that would be 150 grams. So just beat this together well. Some vanilla essence, do not forget. You can see it's already looking so fluffy because of the egg whites. Now I'm going to add in my 1.5 cup flour. Make sure to sift it. My 1 teaspoon baking powder. I'm going to sift all the dry ingredients. I'm going to fold in the half first. And now the remaining flour. And there we go, it's almost ready. And now lastly, half cup milk. I'm adding in gradually. Make sure the milk is room temperature. Make sure the milk folds in with the batter. And now I'll be pouring my cake batter into a round pan. I'm taking my 7-inch round pan. And just give it a few taps. And now I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now my whipped cream, I've taken 250 milliliters of whipped cream. Make sure it's quite cold. If your whipped cream isn't cold enough, it won't whip as perfect. Adding in 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Make sure you have to add in icing sugar. And now my pink food coloring. I've just opted for a pink color. You guys can choose any other color you like as well. And there we go, my whipped cream is almost ready. Now the cake, I'm going to make 2 halves of it. Carefully slice it into half. Now the first layer, I'm going to spread some icing. Spread the whipped cream carefully all around until all the edges are covered. Now the top layer, I'm going to do the same. Spread the whipping cream evenly all around. For this step, we're just going to make sure that all the edges are covered. We do not have to be so neat at this point. Now here comes the important part. Just make these markings because we're going to cut it into a heart shape now. So we cut it evenly. Now we're going to remove just these two parts. We're going to slice it carefully. And now the great part is that we're not going to waste those two slices. We're going to add it on the top. So if it doesn't stick, just add some more whipping cream and it will definitely stick. You have to push it with your hand. You can really see it's becoming like a heart shaped. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. Just carefully press in the both sides. And now we're going to spread the whipping cream. And there we go. A heart-shaped cake made out of a round-shaped one. How wonderful is that? So just spread it evenly. Now I'm just going to pipe it and make little rosettes. You guys can make it however you like. And I'm going to add some edible pearls. And some hearts to it as well. You can see it's looking like a perfect heart shape and nobody guessed you made it out of a round pan. Now I'm going to slice it and show you how wonderful it's looking inside. The icing layer. There we go, just as wonderful as the bakery one. And there we go, our perfect heart-shaped cake made from a round pan. You can see how wonderful it's looking. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.